Did you know that one of history's greatest unsolved heists happened inside a locked castle safe, and the British government covered it up to hide a scandal? In July 1907, the Irish crown jewels vanished from Dublin Castle's Bedford Tower. These priceless gems were locked away in what seemed like an impenetrable safe, but somehow thieves pulled off the impossible. Sir Arthur Vickers, the man responsible for protecting the jewels, discovered the theft just days before King Edward VII was set to visit Ireland. Talk about terrible timing. The investigation quickly turned messy. Vickers and his assistant were acting suspicious. Even worse, British aristocrats might have been involved in homosexual scandals that our authorities desperately wanted to keep quiet. Despite massive investigations, nobody was ever arrested. The jewels were never found. The British government locked away all the files to prevent political embarrassment. This wasn't just a theft. It nearly caused a constitutional crisis during Ireland's fight for independence. The perfect crime that exposed dirty secrets and changed history forever.